Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dark and moody filter for your videos on CapCut PC. Select your video and go to adjustments, or you can create a new adjustment here if you'd like to save it. Okay, I'll just save it then, I guess. You're going to go and scroll down and you're going to set the brightness to -30. You're going to set the contrast at 10. Then you're going to select the saturation and do -10. And then you're going to go to illumination, -15. And sharpen 100. And then highlight, -29. And shadow 8. And there you'll have your dark and very moody filter. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.